Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My God told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go today.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brianna back again with another video. I know that I have been slacking off, but you know, today I am back. Yeah, bigger and better. So as you can see by the title, we're going to do today, and I have a special guest. Her name is Davina. So come in, Davina. Yeah, know the vibe, babe. So come here. Yeah, guys. So basically, it's remember
Davina.
Yeah. Okay. So can you follow our Instagram and thing?
Yeah, them hack it down. So them hack the old one, so we can go follow the new one.
Yeah. Be link in the description down below. We have to eat from Burger King. Well, from stuff with them. So yeah, we're gonna start. Alright, so the first picture now. You can go on.
Yeah,
Can
you
go
look
on.
nice.
Like him look at shoes and things.
Everything match. Yeah, you look nice.
My man, they are Starbucks to take picture. I like him to buy none. But yeah.
Me man.
Can
Nice.
get a 9. Yeah, one good solid 9. Darkness, yeah, girl. Black her
Yeah, man,
slippers.
she look nice. Right shoe.
Black her slippers.
Nice. I slippers. Them people look nice, man.
Put yourself with.
She look nice. Can get that chocolate and everything nice. She can get that here.
And yes, that's it.
Where's that?
But this look nice. This look nice.
She look nice, but the only thing, her makeup look lighter than her body.
Yeah, than her skin color. Maybe because I threw web take the picture.
Yeah, but she look nice other than that. She look nice.
Yeah. I get out 9, come like her outfit and an 8.5.
8.5.
Nice shoes. Let me get myself some fries. Alright, I like him Crocs.
I like the flowers then in her back of
And
the
like him
the
chair.
painting clean.
Yeah, the painting and the background clean true, no joke about
No
it.
cap. Him can go on simple and nice. Looks like him just go look at girl or something.
Yeah. Can go on, man. You
Very
might
nice.
nice.
7.
And 7.
I not like I look rough.
Next one, like our shoes.
I know her.
Everybody know. When I'm gonna swear.
She nice. She look nice. But hold on. Why like I like what you have on, I like your shoes. I know it's your style, but the red lace no match nothing you have on.
Yeah, should have one. Look like the 2 different laces.
Yeah, the red lace no match you have on. But you look nice, simple and
You
clean.
got one 8.5.
You're right, 8.
This look nice.
Alright, what up with your
I like our bag.
the picture clean, everything nice. You look nice.
Why I zoom up so another phone?
I like the bubbles them in the ear. Yeah,
Like
she
our
can
shoes.
go.
I have a thing for Air Forces for some reason.
No, nothing about shoes, but you look nice. I'm give you 8.5.
Okay, I 8. Why you laugh with me?
I tell you, I like the
I
picture,
like the shoes.
but the ground and the wall way to the picture is dirty.
Yeah, man. I don't think white them is a bank robber that or
Look like crap.
huh? It's a cloud. I think that's a bank robber or
It just look too long for your foot, but it look
Yeah.
nice in the arm. I'll give you one.
your picture nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I'll give you 1 second.
Yeah, 1 6. 6.
I
don't like 6. Don't like the shoes. I'm sorry. Cause it white and there's a
Oh
cloud.
yeah,
And the jeans too skinny. I could always skinny, but anyways.
right.
Black your shoes.
Yeah, the shoes nice, white and nice.
I am. What that call? Is a romper that call?
Yeah, I know jumper.
Jumper. Yeah, jumper.
Yeah,
Jumper. I don't even know.
I like a little belly skin. You go on with the thing that
Yeah,
thick
girl.
body.
Tip
But
bro
I
on her
have
back.
rice rich. Oh.
Not a vibe, babes.
When you Jolly Talia, you look nice, man. You look nice. Make you one nice 8.
Like your 1 9. I like it.
Thick and full.
No face, no trace, babes. No face, no trace.
Alright, well.
I like our bag. The bag
Yeah,
cute.
the bag nice.
Cute.
But I wear, I can't get it.
It's cute, bad.
I'm not ask price, but you see what I picture here now, you see because it's on the side where I'm not see you.
See a front
yes,
way.
or nothing, I can't know for rate. See I have little
Have a look slope. Yeah. Yeah.
you go on with yourself, man. But me I get that picture here at 6.
I get that 7.5. Love you, babes.
She look nice.
Yeah. Right, true.
Right, that's so fine.
Yeah,
her
official.
well,
Is a uppers Air Force. It's like a little, it's look like an uppers one. Slow, babes.
right.
Slow.
So I like her and her ear look nice.
Yeah.
Our glasses, everything. I get that picture here
Everything.
a nice 10.
10,
I'm not ask
solid
price.
10.
Right, true.
Solid
Her.
10, babes. Period. Niceness. I'm sorry. I don't let her carry on.
Alright, you look nice.
Pink is for men, guys. Pink is for boys, guys. You look nice. Why are you?
Shut up, man. Shut up, shut up. May I try? Him look nice. I like the pink. It look
And
like
this
you have
a
a
8.
mustache.
No, it's an 8.
Yeah, same. 8, nice. Right, true.
Okay, guys, we're back. Alright, next picture. You nice.
Yeah, nice, but I love
The glasses,
shoes.
the
Yeah, nice.
dress, the
braided
shoes.
shape.
Yeah, girl, she have
Yeah,
shape.
nice. We give her 9.
Yeah, get on 10.
Mm.
I like it. Alright, my first what I call this group. This
Oh, yeah, check it.
discriminate.
Your first
Okay.
dislike in the picture. Are that? Wait, we have to
Use that. You know what? Just stop. Working too hard.
Alright.
The
She not try to discriminate you.
the shirt. That's the word. Yes. But anyways, the
Alright.
shirt don't go with the tights.
Yeah, for real. The material. And
Yeah,
style.
the style overall just don't go with the tights.
And the ground dirty, but I love your shoes in white.
What the girl have to do with none of this?
Because people have to know them surrounding when they take picture, you know. Like, it's nice, but people are too crazy. Alright.
Okay, as well as said, the shirt I don't like that. The tights could have come up more cause just to slug you right this up. Tights not for looks so babes.
Yeah.
Not for looks like this one.
But you look nice still. But it just not much.
May I get 1 6?
6.5.
6. Why do I love them big shoes there? Like how? Like
The shoe is nice, you know, but like it not drop off your foot.
exactly like we're not here. Happy girl. Like guys, my aunt is going to watch this video.
Ciao. Anyways, so
The picture nice.
yeah, the picture nice.
Like your shirt, like your pants.
The shoe is nice, but it just big.
Yeah, like I hate big shoes.
drip. 7.
7. Wait, girl, 7 colors, child.
7, yeah.
Next caller. What always do that? Like a dress. The
dress
picture not
nice,
clean
yeah.
though.
The picture, like guys, I don't know why I not love take picture in a Snapchat.
Exactly like
When
who
you take
does
picture in a
that?
Snapchat, it not show the view.
No, William. It depends on the phone though.
Yeah, it depends on the phone, but like. No.
And I eat your one.
Yeah. Go cut that and give me a piece.
So guys, as we're saying, I like her dress. And her look.
Yeah, the dress nice.
Like her dress though.
I'm gonna give her 6.
Give her 7. But I like her ear. It look nice.
I like the dress.
Mm-hmm.
I like. Yeah,
But
yeah,
I can't
nice.
see her shoes though.
Yeah,
No,
I can't.
no, yeah,
I just
one.
see your ankle.
Mm-hmm.
But you look nice still. As me that saying, we don't need to look or no. Take the picture now, cause like
Exactly,
the place-
some background or something.
Yeah, but just but
No babes.
you can go.
Okay
Sorry.
guys, we're back.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Next we have this gentleman here. Side profile, babe. Side profile. Yeah, I like your shoes and your
I
shirt.
like the shirt. Them boy I love wear floral shirt.
For some reason, exactly. And them look with choker chain there with the thing and chain. Yeah.
You look nice though. Yeah, 8.
Give my 9.
Look nice.
Well, I always do that. That's why I would do. Okay, next we got. You know, say don't like your career.
Girl. I
Miss,
look rough.
Miss Girl. Stealing my food and shit. You. Okay, so I like your tights. I think that's a tight. It's a tights, right?
Yeah, one of the
The girl I bend down for drink juice people. Yeah, I like her shoes, her braid, her tights.
with the edges on fleet though.
Yeah.
Right? You look nice. Oh,
Can I
you
get
are
one 8?
The picture not so clean.
Clean, yeah, no clean.
8. What is it again?
1 8.
Mm.
Yeah. What? Stop it. Come on, come my ears. Next we got.
The people that might take me in that video, my special.
I like her jeans pants too,
I like it.
and her bands, and a plain white shirt, and her fanny pack or whatever.
Just simple, just simple. Yeah, and
Take
nice.
your 8.5.
Yeah,
Nice.
simple. Oh, wow.
Anyways, next.
She's pretty.
She pretty, yeah. She have the way she sit down.
It look
make
like
her
it look like your
curve.
body. Cheap.
And the way she has sit down.
I know, but I just look rough on this one. I need to put the video. I need to put the picture of them over my face. I swear to God.
I'm like her Crocs. I like the Crocs.
It match where you have on in our way.
Yeah, and her hair look nice.
You look nice. Maggie, you are nice. 8.
Yeah, 1 9.
You know?
Alright, next we have I like her slippers.
Picture clean, everything quality nice.
The
I like your
background.
tights.
People them care. Yeah,
Alright.
girl. Yeah, 8.5.
9. Chicas.
They're simple.
She look
Side
nice.
profile.
I like it.
Look a slope.
That a mountain, hill, valley, everything now.
Girl, own tripod. Stop it.
The girl though?
No. Next. Oh yeah, I'll give her a 7.
0.5. 7.5. She look nice.
Nice.
She look nice.
Everything green. Slime, not the vibe, babe.
Yeah.
9.
9. Chanel, babe. nice, clean, French.
Simple top, shorts, the shoes,
You
Air
just look like you
Force.
go down the road, go do something simple.
Yeah,
Yeah, you look nice. Simple, it's just simple.
simple. 8. 8, babes, 8.
Nice.
You're nice, girl.
You look nice. The shoes, I don't really like the shoes. I don't know, I just don't like the shoes.
And she's cute, she's pretty.
Yeah, you're pretty nice. Brown,
Pretty
red.
bad. Hey, girl, on 9. How much you get? How much you get?
9.9.
You be like rate the girl, brother.
I have one girl phone right now.
Okay, guys. That was extra, Brianna.
Very extra, Brianna. Anyways, guys,
This is the end of the video.
you know the vibe. I apologize for looking so rough today. It's not my day at all.
Thank you for being my video, Davina. You are such.
But guys, I promise you, I'm very cute. No cap, like I'm really cute. But sorry for looking so rough.
Why you always lying? Oh my god. Okay, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow all my socials. Link in the description down below. For the vibe. Bye, guys.